The first thing that you want to do on a Google document is create a document. And then you want to click on blank, or you can choose a template if you want to. Now, as you can see here, once you open a blank document, you can click on this area to rename the title. You could also change the font size in this button. A larger font size number equals a bigger font. A smaller number corresponds to a smaller font. Now you can click from the drop-down buttons below, or you can actually type in your own numbers to be more precise. You can underline, italicize, and change bold. And you can also change the color of the text to whatever you want. And you could also change the background. In this case, it's none, but you can change it to whatever color you want, like green. The next thing that we can do is align our text. We can left align, center align, or right align. In this case, we're doing right align. As you can see here, we're writing a date. Now we can use middle align to actually write the title. As you can see here, we're writing the title. Now we can use left align. By using left align, we can actually type our actual essay. Now the next thing that you can do is actually go to Tools, Format, and you can actually clear formatting. By clicking clear formatting, you'll get rid of any formatting that you initially had, and you'll go back to the default settings. In addition, there's fonts. It's located in this button right here. You can change fonts to whatever you want. Here are some fonts that you can change. You can also change the type. You can change it to title, heading, or heading 2, and that changes the size. Once you press enter, it will change back to default. You can insert images, and you can also insert tables. Just hover your mouse over this grid, and just know that the maximum is 20 by 20. And whenever you're satisfied with something like 2 by 2, you can just click and boom, the graph is there. Now I'm going to go to a different document that I've previously created so you can actually see the version history. Sorry, wrong document. As you can see, when we go to this new document, it will have a version history at the top. And now when we click this highlighted version history, we can see the previous times I've created it, or any significant period where I've edited the period. The editing period, and we can actually restore this version by clicking the blue button, but I'm not going to do that here. And the next thing that we can do is Control C, Control V. Control C is to copy text, and Control V is to paste text without formatting. When I Control V here, you'll see that it has background text and everything. This is because I did it with formatting. If you don't want formatting over here, another neat trick is actually to clear formatting by going to Format and Clear Formatting. Is actually to right click and clear paste without formatting. And now we can actually insert a link. We highlight the text we want to insert, and we click this button, and we can type in a URL that we want the link to lead to. Now you can see when we click it, it actually does go to google.com. And another thing that we can actually do is we can change the file, and we can actually download it, email it, and there's different options you can download it as. You can download it as a Word document, a PDF, or plain text, and there's many different other options. You can also click the print button, or it's also accessible via Control P. And another thing that we can do is actually change the left center alignment, the center alignment, and right center alignment. As you can see here, we can change the alignment here. And we can also change it to a numbered list, or we can change it to a bulleted list. You'll see right here, the button right next to it is a bulleted list. In addition, we can actually go to formatting and then go to bullets and numbering, and we could actually have more advanced options such as bullet and number, and we could actually change the type that we want. And the next thing that we can do is actually comment. We can either comment by clicking the button I clicked before, or we can actually go over here and click comment. And the next thing we can do is actually click this button, go to editing, suggesting, or viewing. By default, you are in editing form, but then you can actually suggest. This is an example of suggesting. If I deleted that, then it'll not actually delete the text, but it'll show up as a suggestion. You can either deny or accept the suggestion. Like as you can see here, we can add stuff and anything. It's just a suggestion, and it can be added or deleted. And the next thing is the view option. Now the view option is just the final product. Now, when we go back, we can go to File, and we can go to Share. And this is one of the most important things you can do, is sharing your document. So you can either enable link sharing, or you can share it directly through an email. And here we can type in whatever email we want, and we can click share. On the right side, we can either click editor, by default it's editor, and you can change it to suggestion or view only, and you can also add a message to sharing it. And here are the options you can do it. And I'm going to cancel this because they're probably not a real person. And thank you for watching this tutorial. This is the basics of Google Documents. You can show this to whoever you want to just give the basics. Thank you for watching again.